Okay, these are the 9.2 notes, sum and difference identities, page 5. So we are going to continue the problem that we started on page 4. And so up in the corner here, I'm going to remind us of a couple of values. We found on the last page with this situation, which is exactly the same as the one you started on page 4, that our sine of alpha is 4/5. Cosine of alpha is 3/5. We had the sine of beta was 5/13 because they gave us that cosine of beta as negative 12/13. All right. And so we want the exact value of cosine alpha plus beta. So cosine alpha plus beta is cosine alpha, cosine beta, sign changes, sine alpha, sine beta. Keep in mind cosine alpha happens once, cosine beta happens once, sine alpha happens once, sine beta happens once. Okay. So now I'm just going to plug in numbers. Cosine of alpha is 3/5. Cosine beta is negative 12/13 minus the sine of alpha is 4/5 and the sine of beta is 5/13. We've got negative 36/65 minus 20/65. We get negative 56/65, which is within that negative 1 to 1. That we are allowed to have for cosines. Boom, that one's done. C, we want the exact value of tangent alpha plus beta. Well, we've got sine and cosines. We don't have tangents yet. So let's start by writing out what this looks like. We've got tangent alpha plus beta. That's going to be the tangent of alpha plus the tangent of beta, all over 1 minus tangent of alpha, tangent of beta. So from up above, let's see, we got tangent of alpha, tangent is sine over cosine. So we could write this as 4/5 over 3/5, which is 4/3. Our tangent of beta is 5/13 over negative 12/13, and we get negative 5/12. Again, tangent of alpha should be positive. That one's in the first quadrant. Tangent of beta should be negative. That one's in the second quadrant. And so now we plug and chug. Tangent of alpha is 4/3. Tangent of beta is negative 5/12 over 1 minus 4/3 times our negative 5/12. Let's see, we need to get a common denominator in the numerator, so I'm going to go ahead and multiply my 4/3 by 4/4. And I got 16/12 minus 5/12 all over 1 minus plus 20/36. 4 times 5 is 20. 3 times 12, 36. Okay, so let's see what we got here. I got 11/12 divided by, I can change 1 to 36/36. We add those and get 56/36. 11/12 divided by 56/36 is 11/12 times 36/56. I'm going to reduce what I can, just so this is something that I can do in my head. We've got 33, 11 times 3 is 33, over 56. And there's our tangent of alpha plus beta. Okay, last one, tangent of alpha minus beta. And so again, we're going to write the formula out, tangent of alpha minus the tangent of beta over 1 plus tangent of alpha tangent of beta, which is 4/3 minus negative 5/12 all over 1 plus 4/3 times negative 5/12. Again, I get 16/12. Now it's plus 5/12, so 21 over 12 divided by 36 over 36 minus 20 over 36. So 16 over 36. At 21 over 12 divided by 16 over 36. 21 over 12 times 36 over 16. Again, 3 and 1. 21 times 3 is 63 over 16. And there you go, tangent of alpha minus beta. And that's it. We are done.